Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tom. I am an American in Germany, and today I want to show you how to turn this portafilter that comes with the Dedica EC680 and 685 into this, a bottomless portafilter, so that you can analyze the extractions of your shots. So stay tuned, and if you like content like this, please like and subscribe to push this video up for more people to see. Alright, thanks a lot. Let's get started. First of all, you're going to need the portafilter. Then, the next most important thing you're going to need is a marker, a hacksaw, something for deburring the edges, possibly sander, and personal safety equipment. Eyeglasses, a mask, and that should be it. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do to get started is to know how much of the portafilter to cut off. So the best way to do that is to get a basket ahead of time and measure it out. This basket is 26 millimeters deep, so we can make our cut at about 26 millimeters down from the top, and we're going to cut it over onto this side. So here we go. Let's just measure it out. Yeah, 25. So make a mark there. Make a mark here. Make a mark here. All right. And then we have to connect the dots. And if you can see here, I'm going to go down the stem to make it look a little nicer. All right. Now if you take a look at the portafilter, how it comes, this is the original basket. It's got just one hole in it. That doesn't do us a whole lot of good. We want a real basket that's got a bunch of holes in it. And it's got this black piece in there that we have to take out. That is simple. It's just with that screw there. And then we can start sawing. Don't forget to take the spring out. We're going to need that for later. This part we're not going to need anymore. All right. And that is the line that I have to saw on. So I'm going to put on my personal protective equipment and get started. Now it's best if you have a vise to put this in, something to hold it tight. I don't have a vise, so I'm just going to have to hold it myself, but that's what I would recommend. Message, and that is, I do not take any responsibility. Please do this with care. You are responsible for your own actions. Make sure to wear protective safety equipment such as gloves, the eyeglasses, the protective eyeglasses, and a mask so that you don't breathe in any of the shavings. And again, I do not take responsibility. Please be careful when doing this. Now to cut off this last part. Getting there. All right. Now we just got these two little nubs to get off. One on each side, and we're almost done. Pretty good. So here you see the sawed off product. All I have to do now is deburr it, maybe sand it a little bit to make it look a little, a little nicer. And that is your bottomless portafilter. Let me clean up a little bit while I'm at it. This is a deburring tool I got from Amazon. This works really well for lots of different things. Go ahead and focus. Just going to try to deburr it a little bit. If you don't have a deburring tool, you can also just use sandpaper or Dremel. All right, that looks pretty good. I'll sand it down just a little bit and then we will be good to go. Just going to clean it up with a little alcohol. All right, that looks pretty good. It's important to make sure all the shavings are off. And now, for just a little bit of invested time, you've got a bottomless portafilter for your Delonghi EC680 or 685. Let's test out the fit. Put the spring back in there. Take our aftermarket basket, 51 millimeters. Put that sucker in there. Whoop. And there you go. Bottomless portafilter. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So you might be asking yourself, why would I want a bottomless portafilter? Well, I think if you clicked on this video, you already know. With the bottomless portafilter, you can take a look at your extractions and see how good they're doing. And that way you can see if you're getting spritzers or if your grind is too fine or if it's not fine enough. You can do a lot of diagnosis with this bottomless portafilter, and the coolest thing is that the extractions are just really fun to watch. As an added bonus, I don't need this one. I already have my own bottomless portafilter, so I'm going to give this away to anybody in Germany. And the way I'm going to do it is, as soon as I get 25 comments on this video, individual different comments, then I'm going to choose at random one of the first 25 people to comment, and if they are located in Germany, I will send this to them. I'd like to do it worldwide, but due to the pandemic, it's just not going to work out. Shipping is too expensive. But if anybody's watching in Germany, please write a comment. You can write in German or English. I will read through them and respond, and I will choose one of the first 25, and I will send this your way. So thanks a lot for watching. Again, this is Tom, an American in Germany. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like these, and give me a thumbs up and turn on your notifications. We'll see you next time. Bye now.